Hello everyone and welcome to lecture 4. I would like to show you my solution for CS50W, the commerce problem. This lists all the current active listings. As you can see the name, image, the username of the seller, a brief description kept at 25 words, bid created, and the current bid price. If you are not logged in, you can click the listing and you will see the description of the item, the title, again, a full description, a watch list for which you need to log in to add it to your watch list. Bids, you can see the current bid and the highest bidder, but you need to be logged in and you need to log in to post a comment, but you can see the comments if there are comments, as you can see here. All right, next I will log in and create a listing. So I will use one of my accounts and I will create a listing. I will create a listing for a dumbbell set, which I have prepared in advance. So I've created the listing, I've added a category of fitness, and I have created an image. So I will create the listing, and I'm referred back to a blank listing in case I want to create more listings, but I can view the active listing here, where it is the most recently added, and I can also go to the My Listings page where I can have an overview of all the listings that I have created. And as you can see, I can choose to add it to my watch list here. Because I'm logged in, it will be added to my watch list, which you can see is now 5. I can remove it, and my watch list is 4. So I'll add it. I'll go to my watch list, and it has been added as the most recent item in my watch list. From here, I can also go to the item, and I can choose to remove it or leave it as is. I can choose to bid on this item, which wouldn't really make sense as it's my listing. So I'll list on a different item, but I could also leave a comment. Nice rack, bro. And as you can see, the comment has been posted. So if I go to a listing that is created by a different user, I see that there is a current bid. If I were to choose to bid less than the current bid amount, I would get an error message stating that the bid must be higher. So if I were to create a bid of 150, I see that I now have the current bid. I were to go to an auction that I have created, and as I am the creator, I can choose to close this listing by clicking here. So the listing is now closed. I am referred back to the page where all my listings are shown in case I want to close my other listings as well. But if I were to go to the listing, actually if I would go to the complete overview of active listings, the listing is gone. But if I go to the listing itself, which I can do by going to, for example, the URL name, so travel case, I can see that the listing is closed, and I can see that this user has won the bid. If I were to log out and log in as the user who has won this particular listing, I go there, and I can see that I have won the final bid. Next, I will show you the watch list. As a user, I have a watch list, and these are all the items that this particular user has added to his watch list. From here, I can go to the watch list as shown, and I can choose to remove it. And then I can go, and the watch list has been updated. I can also go to the browse by category, and here I can show, or here are all the current categories with products shown. So these two have the category of computer. I could also go to computer here, and I get the same overview. Lastly, we have the Django admin interface. As you can see, there are models for the bids. Here I can choose to edit or delete all the bids. Same for comments. I can choose to add or edit comments. I have the individual listings, which I can edit and remove. And I have a watch list model where all the items added to a user's watch list are shown. I can, for example, also remove this. So this has been a brief overview of my project. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope it's been helpful, and thank you for watching.